I've been using the Schwarzkopf Supreme Length Shampoo and Conditioner for about 5 weeks, and so far I'm really loving it.
Before I used this Supreme Length Shampoo and Conditioner, I found that my hair was really dry, especially at the ends.
I was in South America and I went from climates from being hot and summery to really dreary, rainy weather. And throughout the whole time my hair was beautiful.
Usually I'd need a haircut by now, but I've found that using these products have meant that I have less split ends, which means that I can have haircuts less frequently.
But the best part is how it makes hair very easy to brush, and my hair being long and I'm always in a rush in the morning, I don't have time for 1 hour of brushing, and this shampoo and conditioner just gives me that ease in the breeze just very quickly.
I actually feel my hair is much healthier, so when I run my fingers through it, I can feel that they are stronger, it's less easy to break, and I also feel that it's much more manageable, so it doesn't freeze up at all during the day, and I don't have to touch my hair up throughout the whole day.
The scent of the product is amazing. The floral scent just adds a little bit of luxury to the application.
Since using this product, I've found that it's healthy, it's really shiny, and I'm really loving using it.
I've never had with any hair care so far such an ease with the tangling of my hair. It beats them all.
Overall my hair looks really healthy, it feels great, I'm getting heaps of comments, and as soon as I got back from my trip I actually went and bought some larger bottles of the shampoo and conditioner. I love Supreme Length and I'm definitely going to keep using it.
I would definitely recommend this product to friends and family, anyone who wants to grow their hair longer. It's a wonderful product.